Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you see me for the first time, my name is Lekeleli. So I have this project, this sewing project I'm wearing, and I thought I would just copy a top I have already. So if you want to see how I make the pattern and sew it, please come along. So this is the top I want to copy. It's a funnel neck. It's a fitted or a raised neck as well. So what I'll first do is just fold the top in half on the front side, and I drew a straight line on my pattern paper, like 90 degrees. Then I'll just lay the center front on that line. And then you mark the neckline at the center front. You mark the shoulder. And just trace the outline of the shoulder as well until you reach end of the shoulder. Also trace your waist. Like transferring that line along. And just use the Sharpie so you can see. The shoulder, the armhole. You can see. Okay, make the fabric flat. Same way. Just trace the armhole of the sleeve. So these are my pieces. Seam allowance is added of the sleeve. Of course, you need 2 of those. And what I did for the neckline, because I want it to be folded, I just cut out like separate pieces. I elongated them, so I'll fold them in half, and also I widened, of course, the neck. Pinned. Serged the neck as well, the shoulder as well. Now what we'll do is put the sleeve to the shoulder, and of course I had notched the center of the shoulder or the middle of the shoulder. Now we're gonna align the center of the shoulder and the center of the sleeve and pin. So then I'm gonna sew all the way, do the same for the other shoulder, and also I will serge it as well. So that's how it looks like. The sleeves is sewn in and I serged it, and now all we have to do is pin the sleeve from the wrist all the way to the waistline, and also serge that. Then we'll work on the neck. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give me a like and also subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and also if you have any video suggestions you want to see in the future, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.